प्रणम्य शिरसा विष्णुं त्रैलोक्याधिपतिं प्रभुं नानाशास्त्रोद्धतं वक्ष्ये राजनीति समुच्चयम्. Meaning, Chanakya says, I bow my head in reverence to Lord Vishnu, the master of all three worlds, and with his blessings, I will now present a collection of political wisdom drawn from various scriptures. This verse shows that Chanakya starts his work with a prayer for a smooth and successful completion. Adhitya edam yatha shastram naro janati sattamaha dharmopadesha visramtam karya karyam shubhashubham. Meaning, a truly wise person is one who reads and understands this scripture, which explains what is right or wrong, what to do or avoid, and what is good or bad. The best person is the one who lives according to what is learnt through wisdom and moral teachings. Tad aham sampravakshami lokanam hitakamyaya yena vijnana matrena sarvagyatvam prapadyate. Meaning, I, Chanakya, will now share this political wisdom for the good of all. Just by understanding it, one can gain great knowledge. Knowing politics not only helps individuals but also benefits society as a whole. Murkha shishyopadeshena dushta stri bharanena cha dukhitaihi samprayogena panditopya vasidati. Meaning, even a wise person suffers if he tries to teach a foolish student, maintain a bad wife, or stay around miserable people. Teach only those who are ready to learn, avoid bad relationships, and keep away from overly negative people. Dushta bharya shatham mitram bhrutyascha uttaradayakaha sasarpehi grihe vaso mrityureva na sanshayaha. Meaning, living with a bad wife, a deceitful friend, a disrespectful servant, or in a house with a snake is certain death. Avoid such dangerous people and situations, as they can destroy your peace or even your life. Apaddarte dhanam rakshet daran dhanairapi atmanam satatam rakshet darairapi dhanairapi. Meaning, save wealth for times of trouble. Protect your wife with your wealth. But if needed, protect yourself, even if it means losing wealth or wife. Your own life is most valuable. Everything else comes after that. Apaddarte dhanam rakshet shrimatam kutah apadaha kadachit chalita lakshmihi sanchita api vinashyati. Meaning, save wealth for difficult times because even the rich can face misfortune. Wealth is temporary. It can disappear anytime. Never be overconfident about riches. They can vanish without warning. Yasmin deshe na sammano na vrittihi na cha bandhavaha na cha vidyagamopyasti vasastatra na karyet. Meaning, don't live in a place where there is no respect, no job, no relatives, and no access to education. Choose your living place wisely as it affects your life, dignity, and growth. Dhanikaha shrotriyo raja nadi vaidyastu panchamaha panchayatra navidyante na tatra divase vaset. Meaning, never stay in a place without a rich person, a learned priest, a ruler, a doctor, or a river. These 5 things are essential for a healthy, secure, and fulfilling life. Lokayatra bhayam lajja dakshinyam tyagashilata panchayatra na vidyante nakuryat tatra sangatim. Meaning, avoid living in a place where people lack work, fear, shame, kindness, and generosity. Such a place will ruin your morals and peace of mind. Janiyat preshane bhrutyan बान्धवांश्चाप्सु संगमे मित्रं चापत्तिकालेषु भार्यां च विभवक्षये. Meaning, a servant is tested when sent on a mission, a relative during a crisis, a friend in trouble, and a wife when you're poor. Real loyalty and love are proven in tough times. आतुरे व्यसने प्राप्ते दुर्भिक्षे शत्रु संकटे राजद्वारे श्मशाने च यतिष्ठति सबान्धवः. Meaning, the real relative or friend is one who stands with you during illness, loss, famine, enemy attacks, legal issues, or even at your funeral. Those who stay with you in hardship are your true companions. Yasmin dhruvani paritajya hyadhruvam parisevate dhruvani tasyan nashyanti chadhruvam nashtamevatat. Meaning, if you leave what is certain and chase what is uncertain, you will lose both. Never let go of a sure thing for something uncertain or risky. Vareta kulajam prajno nirupamapi kanyakam rupavatim na nichasya vivahah sadrishe kule. Meaning, a wise man should marry a good-natured girl from a noble family, even if she is not beautiful. A beautiful girl from a bad family should be avoided. Family background and character are more important than looks. Nakinam cha nadinam cha shringinam shastrapaninam vishvaso naiva kartavyah strishu rajakuleshu cha. Meaning, don't blindly trust animals with claws, rivers, horned animals, armed men, women, or people from royal families. These can all be unpredictable and dangerous if taken lightly. Vishadapi amritam grahyam, amedhyadapi kanchanam, nichadapi uttama vidya, striratnam dushkuladapi. Meaning, take nectar even if it's found in poison. Take gold even if found in dirt. Accept wisdom even from a low-born person and marry a good woman even from a poor family. Value truth, knowledge and character, regardless of where it comes from. Strinam dviguna aharo lajjaschapi chaturguna sahasam shadgunam chaila kamaschaштgunah smritaha. Meaning, women eat twice as much, have 4 times more modesty, are 6 times more courageous, and have 8 times more desire than men. Women are emotionally and physically more intense and resilient in many ways.
If you found this Chanakya Niti valuable, give it a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a drop of ancient wisdom.